Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google Maps offline. Now, this is super useful when you are traveling, when you have a poor internet connection, or when you want to save mobile data. After this tutorial, you will be able to download maps and navigate without any connection. So first of all, you need to either open your Google Maps application on your phone while you still have the internet, or you can also come here on google.com/maps website in your web browser. Just make sure that you are signed in to your Google account because offline maps are saved to your profile. Now, once you are here at the top, you just have to use the search bar and type the city or the area name that you want to use offline. So, for example, let's say I searched for this particular place. So here, when the location appears, you just have to tap on it and open the place page just like so. Now you need to look for the option which is called offline maps, or you can also tap on your profile picture and then choose the option of the offline maps from the menu. Now you can select your own map. You will see a box on the screen. You can move and zoom it to include the exact area that you want, like your whole city or travel route. The larger area, the bigger the download size. So when you are ready, simply click on the option of download and wait for it to finish or save. Now, once it is downloaded successfully, the whole region can be used offline. You can now search for the places, you can get driving directions and see the map even with no internet. GPS will still work because it doesn't need data. Remember that offline mode only supports the driving navigation. The live tracking and the transit updates need the internet connection. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.